Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Driftwood Public Library Adult Science Night. I am your host, Rachel Humpert, and although I get to play scientist for the library, I'm not really a scientist. So today's experiment is both science and art, if you want. And we are going to be using some very simple things that you have probably in your pantry right now. We're going to be using some baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. And what you want to do is mix your food coloring into your vinegar. I have these fun, pretty glasses here. And I also have these dropper things that came with the gummy bear molds that we used to make our homemade gummy bears. So I'm going to show you guys what this little experiment is. You ready? Okay, so first things first, I'm going to open up this baking soda. Probably should have done that already. Oh well. I'm going to open up this baking soda and dump it on this plate. I'm using a black plate so that you guys can really see the contrast. So baking soda, you can get like a tinfoil baking pan or any sort of a dish you have available to you. And then I'm sure if you're a baker at all, you've probably done some baking that uses baking soda and vinegar instead of other leavening ingredients. And that's because the acid of the vinegar interacts with the baking soda to fizz and cause lightness. My favorite chocolate cake that my mom made doesn't use eggs. It only uses vinegar and baking soda. So using the different colors, we're going to just drop, and you can watch it foam and fizz and sort of eat up the baking soda. So I used red. And we're going to drop some neon green. Just see what it does. Got some purple here too. Let's see how this purple looks. So this is just a really fun thing that you can do with kids, grandkids, just kind of to make a neat, it's art too, as far as, you know, you could take a picture of it and have it be a really neat photo that you share. You could put the vinegar, the colored vinegar solution into a squirt bottle and spray it differently. But this is just a real easy one, just kind of to show the reaction between vinegar and baking soda. That was supposed to be hot pink. It's not very pink, is it? Not very hot, at least. Yellow. And another sciencey aspect to this, you could use baking powder. Oops. And other, you know, maybe put sugar in a plate and just watch and see how the vinegar reacts with all the different items in your pantry. But that's it. Look how pretty that turned out. It's pretty. So that's a pretty easy, I use the word pretty a lot. It's a very simple, fun science that you can do just to kind of see how how vinegar reacts with baking soda. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's very simple, very basic adult science night. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our Driftwood Public Library YouTube channel, or find us on Facebook. Search up Driftwood Public Library and find us, like our page, and you can see more of what the library is up to, various story times, puppet shows. We just started a sign language series. So yeah, thanks for watching.